WordCamp Asia is going to be hosted in India next year.
Yeah.
Is it safe to assume that you're going to be attending?
Yes, please. Yeah, definitely.
Is there anything specific that you're looking forward to being there, and in terms of inviting people from maybe outside of India to come and see India?
Yeah, sure. Whenever, India is most, as you know, that India is most visiting place, that we have so many places over here that we can visit over here. Everyone from the internationally on WordPress community who wants to visit India. So you just contact me or anyone from the India. You just love it. Yeah.
Hey everybody, it's Roger with Kinsta. I'm joined today by a new friend, Arpit. Hey Arpit, how are you?
Hi, Roger. I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing really well. I'm excited to talk with you and learn more about your journey into digital marketing and everything. So I kind of want to start there. I saw that you went to school for information technology. Is that when you first got into doing websites?
Like little bit. I just learned about the website from the Java. So that is my first language while I'm doing my college stuff. So I'm just learning about how to create the JSP onto the Java base. But after that, I changed my mind and having some journey to offering job on PHP. So I started my career as a PHP developer in 2009 after my graduation completed. So in 2009, I was just having some basics knowledge of how we are going to create the website on PHP and custom work over there.
Excellent, excellent. When did you find WordPress? I'm assuming if you were already looking at PHP, you were aware of WordPress.
Yeah, so after days going on and maybe on 2010, I just searched for internet for what is WordPress and how we are going to integrate with our service-based program over there. So I just learn about that and maybe I will just install the 3.4.x somewhere on 2010 and just learn about that, how it's going on, how to create the blog website, how to create the service pages and customer involvement and how the plugin works, how the theme works and pages and everything that we are going too far away on 2010. So it's having some fun project because it's a first project. So we have just learned about how the WordPress is going to install over there.
Understood. Okay, excellent. So when you were building websites, who were the companies? What kind of businesses are you working with to build websites for?
Yeah, that is company based on to the India only, and we are having some communicated with international kind, and they're just automotive website the categories, the different categories we are on that creating the website automotive, digital marketing. Then after we have some selling the product, so we have also installed the WooCommerce for that. So based on that, we have just learned about how the WordPress theme customization, because every clients have a different expectation. So we need to manage those expectations with the different customization. We need to create the themes as well. We need to customize the plugins as well. So based on that, we are learning more and more, and we have developed each and every things and each and every step-by-step recommend over there.
Excellent, excellent. As you were starting to work with clients and building them websites, at what point did you realize that creating plugins as a product was a real good way for you to start working?
Yeah, that is a good question. After the days going on and the service is more complexity that we need to give the customers and each and every times, and we need to go time to time delivery and time to time fraction of time that we need to do a customization if something having happened on the night of my times. And we also need to straightforward to services on desk, like we need to provide the services on my daytime as well, on my night time as well. So it's more complexity on the managing time environments. On 2018, I remember that day. So in 2018, I just started that how we are not going to go for the product business. We need to just create a plugin. I just searching on the internet that how we are going to API integration between Google Sheets and WordPress. So from that 2018, we have just started our plugin business. We have a Gravity Forms. We have started from the Gravity Forms. So we have connected the Gravity Forms to the Google Sheet. So that is our first plugins that we have created, Gravity Forms to the Google Sheet integration. between them.
Excellent. And so did that come from doing a client project and you realized, hey, there's a bigger market for this? Or how did you come up with the idea to make this a product?
Yeah, that is one of our client project, and we have just come around that we need to having some automated and runtime solution from them. They are managing each and every step onto the Excel sheet. So Excel sheet is not a runtime solution. So we providing them that we must have to provide some automotive and runtime solution for that. We have created and integrated between WordPress Gravity Forms to the Google Sheet. So that is our first plugin. Then after day around, and then we are just managing a WooCommerce. So like whenever we have comes to the WooCommerce, there are products, customers, coupons everywhere that we need to do export stuff from the WooCommerce to the Google Sheet. We have also import stuff from the Google Sheet to the WooCommerce as well. So if someone has been managing a products onto a massive amount of the products over there, so we need to manage those onto the Google Sheet to the WooCommerce as well. So someone has been changed onto the quantity, the price, those price has been changed directly affected the website as well. So these are how we works onto the WP Sync.
Okay, very exciting. So as you're moving forward, how much of your business is still being an agency versus doing your plugin business?
Yeah, like currently we have 60-40. So we providing 60% of the services and then 40% on our plugin business. So day by day we are improving and more about going to the product on plugin basis, because on services is very less compared to the plugin, as customer are more innovative and more complex to the plugin business. So we are more focusing on to the plugin now.
Completely. As you're moving forward and you're looking at, new features that are coming in WordPress or just, on the web in general, some of these different APIs that are happening, is there anything specifically that has you excited moving forward?
Yeah, like as you know, like currently the market is going on to the AI. So we are going to make our plugin on AI basis. So we are more generative and interested on creating a code that is very much connected with AI to our WP Sync plugins. So all different plugins that we are going to generative and coding, and that will be make a more effective customers to provide the AI basis over there. So like we are creating a new code that is a WP Sync AI. So that will be more easy to manage all the data onto the Google Sheets. So like if someone having a 50,000 products, so how we are going to manage the 50,000 products on WooCommerce, that AI will be detect that is there any duplicate something? Is there any productive areas that we can improve on that? So based on that, we are going to writing the course over that.
Excellent. Okay. And so in this case, the AI is going to be more internal to the person using the plugin. It's not going to be necessarily customer facing.
Yeah, like is having some issue that if something is like, say, for example, like someone having a massive data, as I say, like 50,000 products over there. So if something that having issue that is not matching our environment or not matching our map fields that is we have created on Google Sheet. So that we have columns that we have created. Something like the first we have product name, example. So first we have product name, then after we have product quantity. But on the Excel sheet, they have provided like product quantity will be the last. So that will be automatically manage all those data on based on the requirement that we have created on our setting page. So it will be automatically regenerated the data that we have created, and that will be directly import from your Excel sheet that we have imported onto the Google Sheet. That will be directly Google Sheet to the WooCommerce.
Excellent, excellent. So it sounds like pretty fascinating stuff. As we're looking forward, WordCamp Asia is going to be hosted in India next year.
Yeah.
Is it safe to assume that you're going to be attending?
Yes, please. Yeah. Definitely.
Is there anything specific that you're looking forward to being there, and in terms of inviting people from maybe outside of India to come and see India?
Yeah, sure. Like whenever, like India is most, as you know, that India is most visiting place, that we have so many places over here that we can visit over here. Everyone from the internationally on WordPress community who wants to visit India. So you just contact me or anyone from the India. You just love it. Yeah.
Yeah. Excellent, excellent. How is the WordPress scene in India overall? I've heard stories of these massive meetups. Is this accurate?
Like last month, one of my WordPress meetup that I participate. That is, we have maybe 2,000 plus active WordPress community members over there. So it's massive. On the one meetup, we have 2,000 plus. So
Wow.
imagine that maybe we have 300 plus meetups around the India. So one meetup we have 2,000 plus. So maybe it's massive around the peoples are coming over and joining to the WordPress community.
Yeah, no, that's amazing. I've got a small meetup in my local area and just get a handful of people showing up. So 2,000 is truly amazing. To get an idea of what's happening at those meetups, like what are you usually talking with people about at these meetups?
Yeah, I have also my local meetup. I am the co-organizer on my city as well. So people are very excited that how we are connecting and how our community works together and how we are going to building WordPress more and more. So we teach them that how the course works, how the community works, and how the people around the globe that we communicate and meet up every year, every day, or that how the flagship WordCamp Asia or WordCamp Europe or WordCamp US that will work so around the world. So we are going to teach them and learn them. We are going to explore them that how the code structure, how the language structure, everything that we have come around. Every event that we have created onto the meetup is learning more and more from them.
Excellent. All right. Very exciting. To get an idea more of like the use of the open web in India, do you find that a lot of people are still using websites there? Whereas, so, the reason I ask is in the US, most people just use social media now. They don't have their own blogs. Is that different in India? Do people have blogs? Is this more active?
Yeah, it's not like more as much compared to the US and India. Currently, we are learning about technology, but it's more people are productive. As you know, that the retailer and the local retailer of our small city that are not known about the website, that what is the website. So they are now going to learn about that, what we are going to innovating on our business and how we are going to expand our business from the local structure to the global level, or what we can say, like on to the different city, we can how we are going to manage our products. If you have product business on retailer, so they are going to sell on the online, so they wants to create the website, and they are going to learn about that how we are going to innovative from the creating the website over there. So people are learning now, and they are going to uh, compete with what we have right now.
Very cool. As far as when education, like in the schools, are children learning WordPress in India?
Yeah, like one of our friends that they said like on our college or on our school that people are learning from the WordPress project. We also provide an internship, like last year internship that around our college corner, that we are going to learn them that how we are going to create the website onto the WordPress and how we are going to communicate with them and how the codes are working over there.
Excellent. All right. This is very, very good. Arpit, I really enjoy spending some time with you. I try and keep these as short and sweet as possible. If people want to get in touch with you, what is the best way for them to reach out?
Yeah, LinkedIn is the best way.
All right, excellent. All right, well, we'll have a link into the LinkedIn here, and we'll have them get in touch with you. I really appreciate your time. Is there anything else that you'd like to share with people, either about your plugin business or your agency business?
Yeah, as I said, we have only one website that is we have created with the 9 plugins that is connected with the Google Sheet API. So onto the we are learning on that. We are also creating the more and more innovative features on that, and we are involving onto the WP Sheet AI, as I said on my conversion. So it will be more interesting that how we are going to expand our business over there.
Absolutely. All right, well, Arpit, I really appreciate your time. I look forward to speaking with you again soon. Have a great day.
See you soon on WordCamp Asia on 2026.
You betcha.
Yeah.